Hello tech enthusiasts. Welcome to today's technological product preview. USA Entertainment Ventures have a special presentation for you. Today, we're diving into something truly revolutionary in the world of simulation, the Small Footprint Simulator by USA Entertainment Ventures. Let's get started. Railway operations. The railway industry faces a shortage of qualified employees due to an aging workforce, highlighting the need for innovative training solutions. The Small Footprint Simulator emerges as a crucial tool for training and developing young participants and enthusiasts interested in railway transportation. With its ability to recreate real-life scenarios, the simulator provides a safe environment for trainees to practice and refine their skills. From inclement weather to emergency situations, simulations prepare trainees for the challenges of operating trains in various conditions. The simulator stimulates interest in railway transportation among younger participants through interactive and competitive learning experiences. Progress tracking fosters healthy competition and encourages continuous skill improvement among participants. Data gathered by the simulator enables comprehensive analysis of trainee performance, identifying areas for improvement and predicting potential malfunctions. This data-driven approach enhances training effectiveness and safety standards within the railway industry. Gaming and competition tools developed through the simulator elevate skill levels and create a dynamic learning environment. Trainees continuously challenge themselves to achieve higher goals, fostering skill development and professional growth. As the railway industry adopts new technologies like autonomous trains and advanced signaling systems, the simulator ensures employees are trained to operate efficiently in this evolving landscape. Standardized training programs enhance consistency and proficiency across the industry. Mobility. The Small Footprint Simulator is designed to be compact and portable, with dimensions of 32.6 inches in width, 56 inches in height, and 80 inches in depth. Given these dimensions, the simulator can comfortably fit into the average service elevator, which typically measures 5 feet 4 inches in width and 8 feet 5 inches in depth, with a door opening of at least 3 feet. Additionally, the lockable casters located at the base of the Small Footprint Simulator allow the simulator to be easily movable, ensuring that it can be transported and installed in various locations without logistical challenges. 4-year warranty. Your peace of mind is our priority. With a generous 4-year warranty, you can train with confidence, knowing that your investment is protected against any unforeseen issues. Whether it's hardware malfunctions or technical glitches, our dedicated support team is here to assist you every step of the way. Say goodbye to worries and hello to uninterrupted training bliss. In summary, the Small Footprint Simulator is poised to revolutionize training and education across industries. We extend our gratitude to you for considering our product and investing your time in exploring its potential. We look forward to providing you with an excellent product and partnering with you to achieve your training and educational goals.